Miss
wrong.
Blinga says that
Now,
Shauna Chin,
Shauna
Controlla,
Chin
and Italian situation are
I
pranked.
don't know what the fuck is going on, but I really don't even want to run with that story because there's a screen recording where Jaden is apologizing to Shauna, and at this point, these people need to know what they're doing because they're going to run away their gifters. They are going to run away their gifters. And the reason they're going to run away their gifters is because every fucking minute is a fucking prank. Every minute is a prank or a lie. Like, we're tired of Uno with this. We tired of Uno. You know, I'm a person who likes to give. But when certain people come out and I say them need help and this and that, because need to stop because you guys are going to fall into a ditch where you can't come out of. One just go fucking dead. One just go flop like dog. One now can't come back nor anything. Because right now, if TikTok close, most of them gone with TikTok. Close with TikTok. Every day, so. Every week, so, you come and tell, why don't you come beg like Blinga? Come put up cash up, Zell and paper like blood clot, Blinga man. You come with this here story, you come with that story. You not tired? One thing with me, if I tell you that something is going to happen, it is going to happen. So that's why I don't say much. I keep they're going to lose the little fame that they have or the little hype. We don't know what to believe. The only thing we know right now, we know that Shauna is looking for stability and she's looking for a man. I don't think Italian is ready for that. Italian is not ready for that commitment at all. Italian want to fuck pussy and suck different pussy and do the most. Even Batman call on his name, even though we have never seen him fucking a man or a man fucking him. So I don't think we can pin that on him because where Batman is concerned, I have to see you with a man. I have to see a man with you.